Find the measure of each marked angle. Here we have two intersecting lines and vertical angles that are across from each other. And they are 3x plus 15 and 4x minus 5. We know vertical angles to be equal in measure, so we can use that fact to write an equation that sets 3x plus 15 equal to 4x minus 5. We have our equation. Now let's solve it. Let's start by getting our x values on the same side. I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides. 3x minus 4x gives negative x. The 4x cancels on the right. Now at the same step, I'm going to subtract 15 from both sides. Negative 5 minus that 15 is a negative 20. Multiplying both sides through by a negative 1 gives x is equal to 20, or 20 degrees. Now, we're not done yet. We want to find the measure of each marked angle. We're given one angle as 3x plus 15. Substituting x equal 20, we have a 3 times 20 plus 15. That's 60 plus 15, or 75. 75 degrees, that is. The other angle is 4x minus 5. Substituting x equal 20 gives 4 times 20 minus 5. That's 80 minus 5, or 75. And let's go ahead and also identify that as 75 degrees. Both of our angles have measures of 75 degrees. And quickly, this problem checks itself because we notice that those angles have equal measure, and vertical angles do have that equal measure.